ScavHunt is one of the most unexpected challenges, and Cannibal does this great bit on Twitter, which is Make Shit Mondays, which people show the stuff they've been working on. However, ScavHunt asks, it's not Monday, but show Cannibal the shit you made. It's been interesting, but this is really cool.
So security wouldn't let me bring it inside, but this is a custom-built flamethrower.
Oh, that's amazing.
That is incredible.
That is really cool.
This sound?
Holy crap.
Cannibal, is this shit good enough for you?
Do I get one?
If you want, I can
Okay.
sell you one.
All right, that'd be great. We'll talk later. Yes, I like what you got.
Again,
That's awesome.
completely legal at DEF CON to sell flamethrowers, theoretically.
Fully legal in Nevada, up to 10 feet in California, not legal in parts of Maryland.
Wait, you're actually serious?
I'm
It's
actually
legal
serious.
to own
This
a
is, it is
flamethrower.
legal to own.
I want two.
Can you use this for home defense?
Depends if you still want a home afterwards.
I mean, if there's a spider in it, then this is totally justifiable.
Thanks
I also
for,
have smaller flamethrowers.
Oh, for the kids. That's
Yes,
fantastic.
exactly.
Great.
Thanks for checking out ScavHunt at DEF CON 30 and hack on.